Let's pot up this gorgeous watermelon peperomia. I've been looking for a medium-sized peperomia for a while and couldn't find one anywhere, so I've opted for buying 2 small ones and I'm going to combine them in the one planter. This is such a great hack if you're looking to make a bigger plant. First up, I'm removing them from their nursery pots and I'm also going to remove the bulk of this soil. Often the soil that comes with plants from big box stores isn't the best quality. You can see it's super crumbly and I find that the soil does not hold water well. As always, I'm going to add some soil to the bottom of the pot, add in my plants, and then fill in the gaps anywhere around them. This ceramic pot does have drainage holes, so I don't need to worry about putting them in a nursery pot first. You always want to make sure that your pots have drainage holes so that you don't get root rot. I know it's tempting to buy planters that don't have holes, and if you do this, just make sure you keep it in the nursery pot so you can water it efficiently. Once she's all repotted and had a good slap, I'm going to give her a really good drink of water. I'm adding a little NPK boost to the water here, and I'm also using warm water. You don't want to shock your plant, especially when it's just been repotted. One tip for peperomias is do not get their leaves wet. They don't like it. They will go brown, mushy, and die off. I'm letting the water drain out the bottom here and then putting it on my shelf. I'm obsessed, and you can't tell that it's 2 plants that I've merged together. Happy planting!